to download playlists from YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you download playlists from YouTube. To download playlists from YouTube, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, open up a browser and type in youtube.com. And once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this sort of page. So in order to download the playlist from YouTube, first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and create a bunch of playlists. So I will just go with this one. First of all, I'm just going to click on new playlist and create new. After which you could go ahead and add a bunch of it. And once you're done, you want to tap on the tab bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to go to the playlist. As you do the playlist, then you could find the recent playlist that you created. This is the one. You want to go ahead and click on full or view full playlist. Once you do it so, you'll be then taken to this page. In order to download the playlist, you'll need to get a premium subscription. Only then you'll be able to find these options. However, when you actually have the premium subscription, you could find download option right in the left hand side corner, and then you could just click on it and you'll be able to download it. So now if you don't have a premium account, then you could just go to your profile section from the top right and click on the account or click on subscription that you want, and you should be able to get the subscription. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.